It's so nice to have this quiet dinner together, just the two of us.
Yes, it's been a while since we've had this kind of alone time. I've missed it.
Me too, darling. We've both been so caught up with work and other commitments lately.
That's true. But tonight, let's forget about everything else and focus on enjoying this evening together.
Absolutely. I was thinking about how lucky I am to have you by my side.
Oh, stop it, you. You're making me blush.
No, really, I mean it. You've been my rock through thick and thin, always supporting me.
And you've been my pillar of strength too. We make a great team, don't we?
We certainly do. Remember when we first met? It feels like yesterday, but it's been years.
Yes, it's incredible how time flies. I still remember that moment vividly, and I knew right then that you were special.
I felt the same way. And here we are, still going strong after all these years.
Life has thrown its challenges at us, but we've faced them together, hand in hand.
And I wouldn't have it any other way. You're my partner, my best friend, and the love of my life.
And you are mine. I'm grateful for every moment we've shared and for the many more to come.
Cheers to us, to our love, and to this beautiful evening together.
Cheers, my love. Here's to many more happy and memorable moments together.